HEMCO drilling tools, HEMCO buckets, HEMCO augers, HEMCO core barrels. HEMCO buckets. HEMCO buckets are used to drill through sandy soils, gravels, cobbles, and weathered rock formation. The buckets specially designed for durability, high productivity, and easy maintenance. All buckets are designed and fabricated for a drilling torque of above 400 kN. We manufacture the most commonly used diameters like 600, 750, 900, 1200, 1500, 1800 and up to 3000 mm can be manufactured on request. Hard facing Hardix 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture rock, soil and cleaning buckets with a cali box of 200 by 200 mm or 150 by 150 mm. HEMCO augers. HEMCO augers are designed and fabricated for a drilling torque of above 400 kN. The design of the augers is such that high productivity is achieved with minimal wear of the round shank bits and auger flights even when drilling through hard formations. Furthermore, cleaning of the auger is done in minimal time when the auger is spun in anti-clockwise direction. The commonly used diameters of 600, 750, 900, 1200 and 1500 are available. All diameters up to 3000 mm can be manufactured. Hard facing Hardix 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture flat and conical augers with a cali box of 200 by 200 and 150 by 150 mm. HEMCO core barrels. HEMCO core barrels are specially designed to drill through very hard formations and permafrost. With the tricon bits, the core barrels can be used to cut through rocks with UCS exceeding 100 MPa. We manufacture the typical diameters of 600, 750, 900, 1200 mm. All diameters up to 2500 mm can be manufactured. The hard-facing Hardix 450 or equivalent strips are used for wear protection. We manufacture core barrels with RSC teeth and tricon bits with a cali box of 200 by 200 mm or 150 by 150 mm.